On this week's episode, I'm going to turn a pen out of a corn cob. After cutting this in half, I'm actually not too sure if this is going to work. The center of the cob here is really soft. It's almost like foam, you can just dig it out real easy. Well, I'm still going to continue on. The next thing I need to do is drill some holes. You know, I think it might have been a good idea for me to stabilize these cobs first. But I'm just going to take the risk. When I made my first pen, someone suggested that I should have used a barrel trimmer, so I've gone out and bought myself one. Now let's give it a go. Tell you what, it might be soft in the middle, but it certainly gets hard on the outside. I'm going to be completely honest with you, I don't think this is going to work. I mean, I could be wrong, it could turn out beautiful. I guess we'll find out in a few minutes. Since I've never turned a corn cob before, I'm just going to use a carbide tip and see how we go. So as you just saw, I had a heap of trouble trying to turn these corn cobs. I just couldn't get the tube to stick in the center. Now I did realise that I forgot to scuff up the tube when I glued them in the first time. So when they come loose, I did scuff up the tubes and re-glue it. And unfortunately it still hasn't worked. I think it's because the inside is just so soft that it's just not sticking. So I've gone out and bought myself another pen kit. This one has a bigger tube. So now when I drill out the cob, I should be able to get rid of all the soft part in the middle, and that way it'll be able to stick to the outer hard bit. So I've mounted up the new cob. Hopefully this one sticks alright. Now I didn't have the right size collars, but I have made these work, so let's give it a go. Wow, how cool does that look? You can see where all the kernels start to grow, but But you'll notice here on the ends where I've gone a bit deeper, it starts to take away from it a little bit. So it's not too bad in the middle. The ends aren't that great, but it'll be okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is give it a quick sand, then I'm going to apply some red dye, and then we can put our finish on.